In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find and manage shortcuts in Google Drive. We'll dive into the steps for locating these handy shortcuts and discuss the simple process of removing them if necessary. Whether you're using Google Drive for personal organization or for keeping your teams synchronized, understanding how to efficiently find and manage shortcuts will significantly enhance your productivity. Let's get started by opening Google Drive in your web browser or through the Google Drive app on your device. Choosing the correct application ensures you're on the right platform, where you'll have access to all the necessary tools and functionalities. Once you have Google Drive open, direct your attention to the search bar right at the top. Here is where you can refine your search results to efficiently locate shortcuts. Next, you'll want to look for the search options icon, which might appear as a small triangle or a filter icon, depending on your device or browser version. Clicking this icon will expand a series of filters that help you refine your search based on different criteria such as file type, owner's name, or even last modified date. For today, we're focusing on filtering by type, as we're on the hunt for shortcuts. Specifically, once in the Search Options menu, navigate to the Type filter. It's a drop-down menu allowing you to select from various file types stored in your Google Drive. Here, you're going to select Shortcuts. By opting for this, you're instructing Google Drive to sift through your files and present only those that are shortcuts. And just like that, you'll see a curated list of all the shortcuts currently residing in your Google Drive. It's a neat way to centralize your access points, helping you view and manage them efficiently. Now that you have your list of shortcuts, you may wish to remove some of them, whether to declutter or simply because they're no longer needed. To remove a shortcut, start by locating it in your list, or you can alternatively navigate to its location if you already know where it resides within your folders. Once identified, right-click on the shortcut. In the context menu that appears, you'll want to click Remove. This action reclaims some digital space and keeps your drive tidy. And that's it! With these simple steps, you can effortlessly find and manage shortcuts within your Google Drive, allowing you to streamline your workflow and simplify navigation. Thanks for tuning in today, and we hope this will make your digital organization with Google Drive even more efficient. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more productivity tips and tricks.